Hello, today I want to pick this Assa Desmo. It has 8 sliders, 4 on each side, and it should be completely unmastered. So let's see how it goes. Its tension counterclockwise. Let's start with 1. Okay, 1 seems good. 2 seems good. 3 seems good. That's 2 dropped. One's good. 2 is good. 3 is good. Let's get to the 4. Okay. 1's good. 2 dropped. That means that one of the other ones isn't set properly. Okay. Click out of 3. 4 is good. Is 1 still good? Seems like it. Okay. Some advancement on the core. I think the left side is picked now. So let's get to the right side. 1 is completely loose. Can you see well? I think so. 1 is loose, 2 is loose, 3 is good now, 4 is good, 3 is good, 1 is good, 2, small click, above 1 now. Okay, we've got some false set. 1 is loose, 2 is loose, 3 is loose, now 4. For binding, looks like it. Let's be gentle and not overshoot it. Okay, let's check other now. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good. Okay, it has to be 4. Maybe let's get a pick instead of a flag. 1, 2, 3, 4. And try to lift it very gently. My tensioner is slipping. I don't want that for sure. Okay, I need to fix this before it slips out completely. Okay. Okay, 1's good, 2 is good, 3 is loose. Okay, has to be 4 then. Gently. Did everything reset? I think so. Okay, Okay, false set. Everything dropped when we tried to set this 4. Okay, now it should be good. 1 loose, 2 loose, 3, small click, 4 click into place, 1 is okay, 2 small click, 1, about 1, little higher, okay, 1's good, 2 click, 3 is loose, 4's good, 1, okay. Alright, that was rather fun. Nice little log to pick. And let's get it here. Screw this. Screw, you guessed it. Okay. Put it on the tray. Screw here. This here. Even though it wasn't there because I had to take this off, because when it was sitting in the device, it blocked the rotation of the core to some degree. I think this way. Okay. I have never got at this lock. Actually, gonna be fun. Don't know if I should do it in any specific way, like what to look out for. Okay, you can see the sidebars here. Oh, I have paint on my tweezers. That's okay. There's a sidebar number 1, the left one. There's the sidebar number 2, the right one. Okay, that's from the sidebar as well. That's a sidebar spring. Can you see well? I think so. Well enough. Alrighty, now we should be able to take these out. That's the right side. That's number 1. That's number 2. Okay. How about this key retention thingy? I know it is here. It should be here. How does it work though? Ah, alright. That's simple. When the sidebars are retracted, come on. Here we had these two pins with the spring, and where the sidebars retract, this pin peeks into the keyway. I don't know if you can see it. Here, it should be. Yes, here. It lines up with this divot in the key, and it doesn't allow the key to be pulled out. Alright. Yeah, pretty interesting thing actually. Not that hard, but if I didn't know the beating, then it would take me a while to pick it. Really. Like into wild or something. Okay, I think. Do you want to see the sliders up close? Here they are. They have true gates in different positions. It corresponds to the beating of the key. In the middle, very top, and in the middle again. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, and bye bye.